Okay, mbabuuzaako gye musinzidde yenze Ssemaganda Moses Soap. Kaakati mmwe mwenna abaweebwa bbeiro wakati mu makooti gavumenti ettubidde n'ensimbi eziri eyo mu buwumbi 24 ssente zammwe ze mwateekayo okubanga omusingo ate kaakati mmwe emisango egyaggwa ne musumululwa ne mugenda ssente ne muzeerabira. N'olwekyo omuwandiisi w'enkalakkalira mu Ministry ya Justice and Constitutional Affairs alambuludde ku nsonga zino mujje mukimu akasente kammwe. Omusimbi guli eyo gutudde ate mmwe mwadduka mwabula.
Our members of parliament ekintu kya bbeiri tukikorako. Babadde beebuuza lwaki esente zibeera ku account ni abantu ne batazikima. Waliwo ensonga nyingi naye ensonga enene waliwo abataagala kujya mu kooti. Kooti bwebalese baduka ne bagenda tibagala kukomawo kufuna sente. Naye nsaba abamawulire mutuyambe mugambe abantu bajje bakime sente zaabwe. Esente ziri mu banka si zaffe ziri obuwumbi 24 naye waliwo endala obuwumbi 26. Ezo zonna bwoziteeka wamu kyeba members of parliament babadde babuuza esente ezo zonna lwaki zibeera ku account. Kaakati nateesekwa akakiiko okulaba nti kanoonyereza engeri ki gyetuyinza okufuna engeri gyo abantu bayinza kufuna sente zaabwe mu mangu. Esente za bbeiro si zaffe, esente z'abantu abaziteekamu. Kakati ekyo kwegamba abantu bweba tebazifunye zibeera ku account zibeerawo. So kyeba nsaba abantu tuyambe abantu bajje bakime sente zaabwe. Public Accounts Committee members wanted to be assured, wanted to know how we are handling bail and who gets bail in the first place. And I have told them that bail is a right, but that bail is given by a judicial officer when he or she is satisfied that the reason is that you have given for bail are satisfactory and that you are not going to jump bail and disappear. So bail money is paid and it is the suspect money. It's not government money. We only keep it so that when they finish and they have got a court order, they have to get the court order, get the original receipt, attach all that evidence that supports their claim, and the money is processed. It is true that there is money which is on account which has not been corrected, and there are many reasons.
How much?
I have 26 billion on account. What they were confusing as 54 is actually 26 billion for bail, but also we have got 24 billion for security guarantees. And security deposits are different from bail. And security deposits are paid when a court case has been concluded and the court order is given and the process. So that's what I explained to the members of parliament, and they looked satisfied. The only thing that they wanted to know is how are we going to make sure that we simplify the process of getting bail. And I have told them that I have put in place a committee which is going to look at all the intricacies surrounding the bail application. But I have also told them that the issue of bail is also dependent on an individual who deposited the bail. And I noted that some of the members even here, some of them have not got their bail, and I'm asking them to correct their bail.
The bail fees?
The bail fees, they have not corrected. You heard them telling me that they want their bail. So if one person can delay here, another delays in Masaka, another delays in another Karamoja, the whole country, that money is not too much compared to the people who have deposited their bail. So I appeal to the public. I appeal to all those who have had cases in court to claim for their bail. You media should help me. Tell them that the money is that if you know that a case was concluded, get the court order, get the receipt, come for the bail. As for deposit, security deposit, those are the ones I was talking about.